So hello everyone, today is day 2 of my ML journey. So today what I read was basically with the very basics of LLMs and AI agents, and I also tried to use like Gemini API to run very basic like text to image model, very simple one. And also I tried to use like the chatbot type, the text to text. Okay, great. So basically for in LLMs, what I understood is LLMs as the name suggests large language models. Language means all the work related to text and like generating text, like example of chatbots, those related work. And the word use of large is basically the use. There's a huge number of parameters, maybe in billions and trillions. That's why it come into picture, large language models. And regarding the AI agents is simply a code or something. We can say software program or code, or it's help us to like we can say constrain the LLMs like to give a specific purpose or to give a certain direction, like that whatever understood tell yet. And also it uses tools to assist, I say, in making decisions. And there was concept of environments, like agents take do tasks and observe the environment related to. There were concepts related to that. I will need more understanding of agents when I will work further. Basically, this is one of the code. So let me run it. It's very simple. Just there are some inputs and use of the Gemini model, and there's a message and it was invoked. And this, we are decoding the images, we are saving the image, and just we are um, popping it out. Okay, so basically this running in the terminal. Great. So this was the text which I written was cuddly lion wearing a hat. On the same thing I got as an image. So let me change it a bit. I will write curly and give me an image of a man walking on road and wearing wearing sunglasses. Sunglasses. Let me see here. Black. Sunglasses. Okay, dot, and I have to close it. There's a comma. Great. Okay, just let me run it again. Let's see how thing goes. So this is working. Great. And there was also some fun. This one. We are taking the masses and simply like invoked it. System, you are helping assistant translate the language into the English, and the message got translated. I won't be running it. And here was something like chain like. Here we like input, output, and input, and we have given these parameters later on. This is the basic like I have gotten till yet. I will have to work further to get a better understanding of stuffs. This was just to get a like very basic hands-on the of AI agents. Okay then, bye bye.